It's back. After months of confusion, delays, and legal battles, businesses are once again required to file their beneficial ownership information, BOI, reports under the Corporate Transparency Act, CTA. If you thought the deadline was gone for good, think again. The government has reinstated the rule, and the new deadline is March 21st, 2025. If you haven't filed yet, now is the time to take action. With tax laws and compliance rules can feel overwhelming, especially when they keep changing. That's why I'm here to break it all down in a way that's simple and stress-free. The BOI report is part of a federal effort to prevent financial crimes like fraud, money laundering, and tax evasion. It requires most U.S. businesses to disclose information about the people who actually own or control them. The goal is to stop criminals from hiding behind fake companies and shell businesses. This law was passed in 2021 and officially went into effect on January 1st, 2024. At that point, all businesses had to submit BOI reports with details about their owners, including their full names, birth dates, home addresses, and official identification numbers. Any business that started before January 1st, 2024, had until the end of the year to file, while new businesses had just 30 days after registering. Those who failed to comply faced hefty fines ranging from $500 to $10,000 per violation, and even potential jail time. Then, in December 2024, everything changed. A Texas federal court put a pause on the BOI filing requirement. For a few weeks, businesses were left confused, not knowing if they still had to report or not. Some had already filed, while others were waiting for clear instructions. Then, on February 17, 2025, the same Texas court reversed the pause, meaning BOI reporting was back in full force. The government quickly followed up with an announcement, setting a new deadline of March 21, 2025. If you own a business, you need to determine whether your company is required to file. This rule applies to most small businesses, including LLCs, corporations, and other legal entities registered in the U.S. However, some businesses are exempt, such as large companies with more than 20 full-time employees and at least $5 million in revenue, banks, publicly traded companies, and certain nonprofits. But for most small businesses, BOI reporting is mandatory, and the deadline is coming fast. Filing a BOI report means submitting details about the beneficial owners of your company. A beneficial owner is anyone who owns at least 25% of the business or has significant control over company decisions, even if they don't own shares. This could include the CEO, CFO, or other high-ranking executives. The report must include personal details such as name, date of birth, and address, along with proof of identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Beyond this, one challenge with BOI reporting is keeping up with ownership changes. If a business gets a new owner, or if an existing owner's information changes, the company must update its BOI report. Failing to do so could lead to penalties. That's why many businesses are investing in better record-keeping and compliance systems to make sure they don't miss deadlines. There has been a lot of controversy surrounding the BOI rule. Many small business owners feel it's just another layer of government red tape, making things harder. Lawsuits have been filed, arguing that the rule is too complex, unfair, and puts small businesses at a disadvantage. Some lawmakers have even called for the Corporate Transparency Act to be repealed entirely. But as of now, the law stands, and businesses must comply. If you're a business owner, the best thing you can do is stay ahead of the deadline. Even though there's always a chance of further delays or changes, it's safer to assume that BOI reporting will remain in place. Time is running out. The Corporate Transparency Act is still facing legal challenges, but for now, the rule is in effect. If you own a business, make sure you're on the right side of compliance before it's too late. And here comes a job market. If you're a business owner and have realized the importance of filing your BOI report and would like to file your report, Make sure to check the links down below in the description for help with filing your BOI, links to other helpful BOI and tax videos, and other helpful videos and resources. Thanks for watching, and I hope all this information was helpful. If you have indeed found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on business compliance and the most important tax topics from a 3-year experienced tax professional and aspiring IRS enrolled agent.